Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making a Halloween centerpiece, or it could possibly be hung up as a Halloween wreath. Okay, so what you're going to need is some candy. These are gumballs, and I was hoping they would have the eyeball print on the actual gumball, but they don't. They're solid white. So I may take a Sharpie and make them look like an eyeball, just like it looks in the package. So you'll need some white gumballs, some candy corn, a round mirror, some popsicle sticks, hot glue sticks, and your hot glue gun for this video. Okay guys, I flipped over the mirror and I hot glued a popsicle stick here, 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 and here to start. And then I just went along and I filled in the empty spaces. And when you're hot gluing these, you'll want to kind of press down to try to get them as flat as possible when you're gluing them. After I had all the sticks filled in, I took the hot glue gun, and as you can see, a little bead of hot glue all the way around the edges. Okay, then I am also going to take some popsicle sticks and go around just like this for stability. And then I am going to take a piece of cardboard and I am going to hot glue the cardboard to the back of the mirror for stability, just in case I want to hang it up and use it as a wreath, a Halloween wreath. So I think I should have removed these first, but I'm going to take those off and glue the cardboard on next. Okay, the gumballs are glued around the outer edge of the mirror, and along the popsicle sticks I glued the candy corns. But I would recommend, I used hot glue, but I think next time I am going to use super glue because I think the candy corns will just stay on the popsicle sticks and last longer too. So I recommend using super glue next time. But I am going to get my table cleaned off and I am going to style it. And I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So I'll post another video in just a little bit of how it looks with a candle on it. Okay, here's my finished candy corn arrangement. I think it turned out really pretty. And in the comment section, I will leave the information about how many bags of candy corns and all that good stuff in the comment section for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you. Okay, and here's a little bonus clip. This is a little craft my daughter came up with while I was working on the arrangement, and it turned out adorable, so I just wanted to share this one with you too. She took one of those gumballs and then glued the candy corn all the way around it, and I think it turned out so pretty, so I added them to my table too.